is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited about because it is some of my fall/Halloween decorating, and you guys, I am so excited because Hocus Pocus just came out, so I am getting some appetizers, party trays, some desserts ready for the kids and for the Hocus Pocus watch party that we are having at our friend's house. I have so many great ideas that you guys can do as well. Now, I'm obsessed with Hocus Pocus, the very first video, and I've loved it since I was a kid. Like, we sit down every single year, we make like a whole night out of it just to watch around Halloween time. I even have a Hocus Pocus shirt that I got off Amazon that I'm obsessed with. If you guys like it, I'm going to actually link in the description below. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of 2. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, DIY videos, a little bit of design. I motivate myself and as well try to motivate you guys, give you cleaning motivation, do clean with me videos. And if you guys are into this type of thing, I would love, love, love if you guys give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I have so many great other things out on my channel that you can hop on over and check out. So this year's fall decorating starts with the upstairs area. It starts with the living room, the kitchen, and I took out all of my Halloween and fall decorations. Now I won't be using everything because I do not want to put everything out this year. I just feel like our house is just so tight, and I don't think we can fathom having a ton of decorations. So I'm gonna kind of do like a minimal design this year and all of the decorations. And just keep it, you know, a little less cluttered because we definitely need a good declutter in our house. The kitchen area needs a good wipe down, especially the stove. Honestly, guys, the stove is super dusty. I have not been cooking on the stove, I think in a few weeks. We've been doing a ton of grilling, and I am obsessed with the air fryer. I don't know if anyone else uses the air fryer, but I literally use it for everything. It's so awesome. There's so many recipes that you can kind of convert and put into the air fryer. I mean, you can make steaks, you can make burgers in there. I make chicken all the time, vegetables, super obsessed with that. So I'm a huge proponent of the air fryer, and yeah, my stove has been collecting dust because I have not been using it very much. So I have tons of bins, like I said earlier, of Halloween decorations. I'm only going to take out the very bare minimum to decorate. We have, and I'm not going to get rid of the stuff because we are going to hopefully eventually move. If you guys, you know, watch my channel, then you guys know we've been like trying to buy a house for like ever and a day, but you know, a lot of life things have happened to us in the last year. Job changes, lots of studying, things that, you know, we had to, you know, put the house hunting on the side. You know, we had a death in the family, very close death, and we are hoping that finally this winter, I don't know, upcoming spring, that we actually do buy something, because I will go crazy if we do not buy something. I just think the house size doesn't really bother us, but I think having a really small yard is like killing us, especially since we are a very outdoorsy family. If you guys don't know, my kids also have their own YouTube channel. We ride dirt bikes, do lots of fun outdoor stuff as well. So yeah, like I said, the yard, the very small yard, is killing us.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
A lot of these decorations in the bins, my mom ended up getting last year, after Halloween, after fall. She got them for like literally pennies on the dollar, on clearance. So she hooked me up with that. Let me know if you guys want to see, you know, me make anything with some of the garlands. If you guys have any requests or ideas, I'd be happy to hear you. Let me know in the comments below.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better.
Those little wine bags are super cute. I got those from Target in the dollar spot. And now we're just going to go through the coffee bar area. This needs definitely updating. This needs to be, you know, more fall things in there, because I saw some of the summer things in there. So a lot of the things for the coffee bar area, I got a Hobby Lobby. I got a few of those little espresso cups at Target. Oh, those Hocus Pocus things. Those were from Ross from last year. The pumpkin was from the Dollar Tree. But yeah, I love making these little Nespressos, so I definitely use this coffee bar area all the time. These little spoons are from Dollar Tree, and those little toppers right there, you see a fake coffee topper with this little fake little dessert. I made that last year, and it's actually in one of my videos from last year. If you guys are interested, just scroll back. I can actually link it as well. But those are super cute, and they look like just look how adorable that looks.
Fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, so I also got these little bats. They are paper bats. I got these from Target dollar spot, and I love them. They use a little glue dots to just kind of just stick them on wherever. I'm hoping that they don't do any damage, but I think my cabinet should be okay. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of put them over my vent hood, and just kind of cascading from the other cabinets.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a...
I would definitely love to hear from everyone. Have you guys decorated for fall? Have you guys decorated for Halloween? Do you guys maybe not decorate? What have you done? I know some people go all out, and I love to see a lot of the outdoor decorations by us. There's a few families that really make this whole like haunted thing. There's like 3 or 4 houses that join together, and they actually, the last 2 weeks of October, people come see them from 7 to 10, and they get dressed up and they literally scare everyone at night. It's so cool, and it's such an attraction for the neighborhood.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought,
Guys, don't forget, if you guys are enjoying this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, check out a few other videos. I've been doing definitely a lot more shorts, just cool and creative ideas. Right now, we are going to be making all of the desserts and the charcuterie board for the Hocus Pocus watch party.
No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now.
So right now I'm just kind of making a quick and easy dessert. It's going to be with angel food cake that's already pre-bought, and I am making a filling that is heavy whipping cream that is going to be fully whipped with equal amounts of vanilla pudding mixed together and some strawberries on top. We're going to put it in these little Dollar Tree cauldron bowls, and it is so good. It's such a great dessert. We ended up eating a good chunk of this before even we got to the party because we enjoyed it so much as a family.
I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I love you.
So I bought this pre-made angel food cake, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut it into little cubes. We are going to place it at the bottom of the cauldron bowl. We're going to add our whipped topping, add some strawberries, and do another layer of that. And then this is really good to sit overnight, so some of that moisture from the topping can actually soak into the angel food cake. It is such a good dessert, guys. I totally recommend. Now, you can as well go ahead and make your own angel food cake. I unfortunately did not have time today because my husband was working from home, so I couldn't have access to our upstairs stove because that's where he was calling clients and things like that. So I had to improvise. And really, you don't even need to use angel food cake. You can use any kind of cake. You can use just like vanilla cake. Whatever you choose, it will still come out super delicious.
Couldn't do it each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along tonight.
Now, I bought pre-made brownies. You can definitely make your own. Probably better, but I had no time. We have black icing, and what we're going to do, we also have these little eyeballs, and I only could find them in the funfetti packaging, so that's why I bought that. We're going to go ahead, place the eyeballs in, and start decorating. I just found an image on Google of the Hocus Pocus spellbook, and I try to do something similar. So now I am actually just got a notification that my order is ready, and I got some Sanderson Sister Cocoa Bombs for the kids for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go pick that up. My son's watching. I'm gonna go pick that up. You guys, I cannot wait for you to see them. They are super cute. I did not make them. I'm picking up from a local lady who does a lot of baking and stuff. But they're cute. I can't wait to show you. Now I'm starting on the charcuterie board of the 3 Sanderson sisters. I ended up buying this board, I think 2 or 3 days ago at Aldi. It was actually in clearance, so I went ahead, cleaned it up, took the price tag and everything off of there, and just started kind of organizing. I am using brie cheese for it, but I have a good idea. You guys can, I bought these little containers at Dollar Tree, and if you really wanted to, you can put dip into them and use those cheese folios to go ahead and cover it. That way the design and the decor still looks like the Sanderson sisters. Now for this, I did continue on with the brie, and I just brought the dips over on the side. But if you guys don't need 3 bries, highly recommend trying the other way.
When I met you,
cheese, any dip. If you're going to use a folio on top, you're going to need some kind of salami or pepperoni. I've got blackberries here to make one of the witch's hair. I've got the salami to make the other witch's hair, and I'm going to use cheese cubes to make the third witch's hair. Now after that, I use black icing. I use some Twizzlers for the lips, black icing for the eyes, and the rest of it, you can do whatever you want. You can put fruit, you can put chips, you can put other types of snacks all around. But here I am just kind of building up with blackberries and rolling over the salami. I cut the salami in half in order for it to stick on the bottom.
You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Making some witch's brooms, and I'm just going to use Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups, the very small ones, take all the wrapping off of it, and some pretzel sticks, stick them onto the back, and they came out super cute.
I know it isn't logical. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical.
Go ahead and put some chips, some other cheese, and you guys, like I said, you guys can put anything in here that you want.
Save me, I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come and save me. Fool for you.
I've got red vines. You can also take Twizzlers, cut them up to make the witch's mouth. For that, but what I basically had done is taken some frosting, threw it into a bag, cut it open, and some eyeballs, frosting over. I did make those skeletons. Those are from Dollar Tree. Also Rice Krispies, just kind of smashed in there. Frosting with a little bit of red food dye, just look like brains and guts or whatnot. But super easy little DIY things for the kids to enjoy. Now, this is how the party turned out. We've already kind of gone through half of the food by the time I started recording it, but it was such a hit.
Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands.
It's me and my bestie. We are actually wearing matching Hocus Pocus shirts because we love this movie, like I said. Kids are getting ready to set up to watch. And lastly, we are making hot cocoa bombs. Those came out very good, very delicious. They were super sweet, so we just added a little extra milk, but highly recommend. Kids had such a great night. I think we all had such a great night. Don't forget to hop on over to my channel, check out some of the other videos. Like I said, if you guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback.